So a few days ago, my neighbor gave me this. What their baby's gonna be. I've already opened it. I didn't open it on camera. But we got some stuff today. We're gonna be using some Tannerite. We got a pumpkin hollowed out, and we're gonna do a gender reveal. We'll rewind right here. Yesterday, we were sighting his gun, make sure everything is good. Here's some footage of it from yesterday. All right. Well, we're getting ready to. He has no idea what it is yet. We're gonna go out and we're gonna sight in his rifle. Make sure it's in good shape. Quality craftsmanship, once again, at Pilgrim's Garage. If you can't fix it with Gorilla Tape, man, you just can't fix it. Should send some of that over to the White House. That's dead center. Dead center, he says. Let's go see. So you were aiming for the cheese, then you did good. But if you were aiming for the target, we got to work on that.
Yeah, I was aiming for the target.
Dead center, he says.
Dead center.
Don't ask me, dude. If I was inside of a barn with 4 walls and no doors, I would not be able to hit a wall. Screw it. So we need a lot.
That's getting closer.
Nice grouping on the last one there. Well, we're getting there. Straight at 9 o'clock. 2 of them at 9 o'clock. I don't know if I adjusted that the right direction. Got one right there.
Both of them are right there.
Oh, right there. I got you.
Why don't you look at the other target?
Is that what you were aiming for?
Yeah.
Why didn't you aim for that one?
All 3 of them right there. That'll do.
So do you want to try and take one of them little things and shoot it?
Do dogs piss on brick walls?
Okay. So put it in a dog bone box. Let's see what happens.
Okay, I flinched real bad.
I flinched too.
That was me.
A likely excuse.
No, I jumped really hard.
That was a little one?
We're
using a little one. Oh my God.
I am Mark, the look shocked on your face right now.
I am shocked. Yeah, we definitely need to warn a few people around here. Do you agree?
We agree.
Yeah.
Right? I just watched the video. It does not give it justice. Holy shit. All right, so the first thing that we got to do, we got to warn some neighbors around here. That was pretty big. You guys don't get that. It is like somebody just punched me in the chest, and that's a little jar. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be blowing up the pumpkin, the powder inside. So I'm going to carve this thing out. Let's go ahead and get this thing carved out and then scooped out. As you saw me cut this out, gutted, cut the hole in it. Tannerite's gonna go into there. And this is gonna all be on top of it. I'm not gonna show you that yet. I ain't never mixed this before. Apparently you pour it in here, put the powder in and shake it. Scares the hell out of me. This could very well be the last video that Pilgrim's Garage ever makes. So. scares the hell out of me. It don't look like much on video, man, but these things make a boom. Like if that was to go off right here, I'm gone from here. I'm probably dead. Okay, this part you're not going to see. All right, let's go set it up. All right. Got it set up in the same crater. That's a bigger target than what he had, so let's see what we got.
You see it?
You are locked and loaded. Right. We're ready to go.
Okay. Are you ready for loud? Wait for us.
One shot.
One shot it is. I hope.